Jerome Malino referred to it more as a naturalization than conversion, because, as he said, you're not becoming something else. You're not, you're not converting. You're identifying. And so it was a lot of reading. It was a lot of talking. I didn't have to do the ritual bloodletting. It was a very cerebral conversion process. And Elizabeth was concerned. She said, but when we have kids, aren't they going to be confused that he wasn't born Jewish? And Rabbi said, Elizabeth, was your grandmother born in the United States? She said, no. Is that confusing to you? She said, no. He said, exactly. So, as I say, he was a very wise man who could take fairly complex issues and just sort of cut to the chase. And so that was it. And the conversion ceremony itself was, a handshake and a certificate, and I got dressed up in a suit. It was a really nice time in my life. He had a remarkably cluttered, he was just classic. He had a huge cluttered office, books piled upon books piled upon books. You had to walk through this maze of stacks of books to get to his desk, which was tucked in the back, and it was big, and it was oak, and it was covered with books, and we'd just sit and talk.